Michigan is taking its biggest step yet in the fight against the coronavirus. Vaccine eligibility is now expanding to all Michiganders who are 16 and older. All of this coming as the state now leads the country in new cases of COVID-19. On Saturday, Michigan had more than 8,000 new COVID-19 cases reported, bringing the state closer to the breaking that milestone of 700,000 total cases since the pandemic started. What may be even more concerning for a lot of people, the number of variants now popping up in our state. Michigan is now reporting more than 1,200 cases of highly contagious variants. Health experts will tell you the best way to beat this virus is to get as many people vaccinated as possible. The state is on a mission to get 70% of people 16 and older vaccinated in order to reach that coveted herd immunity. Now, there are several ways that you can sign up. One option is to make an appointment at a vaccination clinic in your community. And you can also check out the mass vaccination site at Ford Field. Last week, Detroit expanded eligibility to people 16 and older. And on Easter Sunday, we found some teens there getting their shots.
I just signed up online. I looked up Ford Field vaccine, signed up, and then I'm 19, and it just sent me a bunch of invites, so I signed up as soon as I could.
Good for her. Let's take a look now at some specifics on signing up for a vaccine. Now, if you'd like to check out a mass vaccination site, the one in Detroit, you can call this number, 313-230-0505. You can also check out the City of Detroit's website, and you can check the website of your local health department or your area hospital to book a vaccine as well. Several local pharmacies are also giving out vaccines. You can check their websites, or you can call in advance to find out how to make an appointment. You can also call the state's COVID-19 hotline, and that number is there at the bottom of your screen, 888-535-6136. And then press 1 Monday through Friday. And on weekends, you can call 211. Now remember, you will not be asked to pay for a COVID-19 shot. Based on supply, there may be a waiting list to get a vaccine. State health leaders are urging you to practice patience. They're going to get to everybody, but they are encouraging everyone to make an appointment as soon as possible. Right now, those at least 16 but still under 18 will only be offered the Pfizer vaccine. You must be 18 years old to get the Johnson & Johnson vaccine or the 2 Moderna shots, and that's based on how those companies conducted their trials. On 7 Action News this morning, our Brian Abel spoke with our chief medical editor, Dr. Pertha Nandi, about the surge and the importance of getting vaccinated when you can.
It's not over yet, because there are folks out there who are not vaccinated, and if you give them an infection, this is what's going to continue to have these infections go out of control. And so once we get more people on, as I've said before, if we get herd immunity, then we can go back to normalcy. Then we don't have to worry about, hey, you got a high school sports program that's reinstated and that's causing increase in infection. So as more people we get on under the umbrella of vaccination, I think we can do better. But don't forget all of the precautions that got us here.
So important. Of course, if you're still having trouble finding a vaccine, we have some links to clinics across Metro Detroit that are still making appointments. Just head to WXYZ.TV.